What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to add accessories in the Roblox Studio. It's a complete full guide and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here on the Roblox Studio like this. So this is what I have done so far. So I'm going to close this because that's not needed and it really look awkward. So I'm going to create a new one. So to do this, just go over here, search here for the Roblox Studio. And this is how the Roblox Studio looks like. And once it completely pop up over here like this, what you need to do is we just need to go over here and click on the new experience. And now from here, what happens is the Roblox Studio will be popping up. Now from here, this is how it looks like. Now we need to either create a rig or create an avatar. So what I'm going to do is, in order to create an avatar, what I'm going to just go over here, select the toolbox over here at the top. Now once you get into the toolbox, you can just go back over here. Now from here, once you get into the toolbox, you just need to go over here and select not plugins. You have to set into models and you can just go over here, search for rig, so that you'll be getting a lot of rigs over here. So there'll be tons of rigs. R6 is one kind of a rig and also R15 is one kind of a rig. So you can select that you wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select R6 and R15. So I'm going to select this particular one. This is having a good, what I need to say, rating that is around 93%. So I'm going to select this particular rig over here. Now once you create the rig over here like this, you can just change it over here. The rig and positions can be altered according to need, and you can do this, and this is how you can do this. And once you create the rig, now we need to add the plugins. So to do this, we just need to go over here at the top, click on the plugins, click on manage plugins. And right now I'm having two plugins which already added. One is erode accessories power and one is accessory inserter. So what I'm going to do is, if you don't have any more plugins over here, then we need to search for the plugins for the first time. For example, if you're for the first time, we need to go over here, then you have to search here for accessory. So just go over here, search for ACC, because the spelling is very important. So just go over here, search for accessory, and we'll be getting this particular one. Just search for this. So we'll be getting this particular one called accessory inserter. So once you find this one, you have to select this and you have to go for install. You'll be having the install option. For me, I don't have the install option because it's already installed. So I just need to install it, and afterwards you have to go over here, insert accessory. And right now we need to paste the ID over here so that you can get it. For that, you just need to go over here on a Google Chrome, and this is the Google Chrome, and you have to make sure that you signed in, and once afterwards go to the marketplace, and these are available details over here in the marketplace. Now what you need to do is, you can make sure one thing, you can select all creators that if you wanted to, and you can change all these things. Now I'm going to set into all items over here and just go for this, and also sure that you can find anything that you wanted to add in. So we have a lot of things over here. Something really looks kind of jacket is there, and also we have some kind of cap, and I would really like this one, which is going to give the avatar a funky look. So what I'm going to just go over here and select this one. So this is really look awesome. So what I'm going to do is, in order to go over here at the top, if you check over here, this is really like, so you can change that you wanted to. If any kind of colors tweaking is done, you can change it. So I really like this one, and what I'm going to just go over here at the top, and you can see there is at the URL we have a number. Just copy this particular number, and we need to go to the Roblox Studio. Now we need to paste this one and go for apply. And now as you can see, what happens is you can get the this particular cap which you got from here, and you can paste it over here wherever you wanted to on the Roblox, and you can do this. Similarly, you can add any kind of accessories like jackets. You can go for the trousers, or you can go for anything from the Roblox over here, and you can just add on your avatar and how you can do this. So this is how you have to do this, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.